Wonder if the microphone can pick this up.
I knew that you were going to do that. I knew it.
I weren't thinking.
It's funny.
You
know what though? My the straps, they're really hurting my back from where you keep biting me.
Yeah, they were quite big bite marks on your back. So I keep putting the bag on for some stupid reason, even though I can't wear it if you're on the back.
No, I know. It is funny to watch you do it though.
I'm stupid. I remember
like last time you actually got on your bike and I was like...
I remembered earlier, but now I forgot.
Yeah.
Wonder if the microphone can pick this up.
You're not allowed to edit that bit out. Just saying.
I don't know if it picked it up or not. I'll find out later. You want to start it?
Yeah.
Yeah, clutch in, button all the way down.
Is it ready now?
It starts. Yeah. This is nice.
Really pretty.
Oh, somewhere to park. Oh, isn't there?
Oh, it runs all the way from up there as well.
Shit.
This is really pretty.
Fuck me, sideways.
This is going to be extra pretty when it all starts turning properly green, isn't it?
Yeah, we're going to come back in, what, a month or two? We better come back here in a month or two.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Wow. It's one of the nicest places we've been.
I know. Oh, that's so pretty over there.
Oh. Wow. I've never seen so much moss.
No. Really pretty.
Beautiful.
Starting.
Where?
Right up here.
I was looking at the other side of the road.
Oh.
Looks a lot like Buck Smells.
It does a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
Now that's a proper greenhouse.
That is really cute.
Oh, there's no plants in it, but still.
Oh my God, imagine having that and just being able to sit by the lake and just paint or do whatever you want to do. Oh, there's a little play bit over there as well. I think this is my new favourite place.
Yeah, this is my new favourite place. I was just thinking the same thing.
And it has a phone in as well.
There's a what?
It has a phone in too.
It's actually got a phone in it.
It is actually a phone box.
Not a defib or a library.
Right.
Just let them pass. bridge.
Oh, wow.
I thought, yeah, we'll pull up here a minute.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah.
Let me get off.
Oh yeah, definitely new favourite place.
Really pretty.
It's cool, isn't it? Try and look out for fish now we know what we're looking for.
I know.
We saw some earlier. Only about, I don't know, that big, but
Yeah.
she's good chasing each other. Should we tell them what our plans are? Or should we wait a bit further down until we've found something? Don't know.
Shall we wait?
Should we wait?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll have to wait. We were going to tell you, but
Although, we could show the little stash of things that we are collecting in your garage to give a hint. Doesn't give much of a hint, it will confuse people.
yeah. Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, when we get back, there's yeah, we've been doing a bit of scavenging. We've got some bits and pieces. Yeah, you're gonna have to wait.
Yeah. Can't give it all away yet.
No, we're getting close.
Oh yeah, very close.
We're getting close. We're very close to finding what we're after. And yeah, I'm so excited for it. It can't come quick enough.
No, we do need it.
Yeah, me too.
I'm getting impatient.
I am. I keep looking every day,
I know.
several times a day. It's getting there. Right, we're going to try and go up the hill, see if it's...
Less windy.
Yeah, ideally. It's fucking cold around here.
Can't feel my hands.
I was going to turn around.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready? I'm actually ready.
Crisps incoming.
Right. Any lambs?
Sheeps.
Sheeps. No lambs.
Oh, I can't see any.
No.
Oh, some of them are snoozing. Moose down there.
Moose.
Moose. Should we go that way?
Yeah. You're always right.